Good morning and assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your places. Okay, so my dear students, today we are going to start another topic of science, and that is variation in animals. The world is full of many different types of animals. Some can swim, some fly, some breathe air, some breathe underwater. Some have skeletons and others do not. So, here we are going to discuss about the variation in animals, how they vary from others. Okay, so first let me know, do you know what is mean by variation? Yes, variation means the differences among the animals. Now, what you can see in this picture, yes, these all are animals, and these all animals are different from each other, and this is called variation in animals. Okay, now students, open your science book. First, we will read the lesson, then I will explain more about variation in animals. Okay, now open page number 34. Variation in animals. Like humans, there are many differences among animals too. Some are different in size, some are different in shapes, some have bones, some do not. Some live in water, some live on land. As you can see, there are different animals. They all are different in size, different in shape. Some live in water and some live on land. This is called variation. Variation means differences among animals. Okay, now turn your page. Okay, page number 35. All animals are different and alike in some ways. Now let's comparing animals. Butterflies and birds are alike. They have wings and they fly. They show variations too. Butterfly has wings and whiskers but not feathers. Butterfly has wings and whiskers but no feathers. Birds have wings and feathers but no whiskers. Animals which are alike in some ways, we group them together. Animals with beak, animals without beak. You can see it. These are the animals, those having beak, and these are the animals which do not have beak. So student, tell me that what you can see in this picture? Yes, you can see different types of animals. Some are birds, some are insects, some are mammals. These all are different from each other, and this is called variation in animals. So let's discuss now alike and different. Different and alike in some ways. सारे एनिमल्स डिफरेंट भी होते हैं और उनमें कुछ सिमिलैरिटीज़ भी होती हैं. Let's discuss. Here are three categories: animals, birds, and insects. You can see three types of animals, that is cow, cat, mouse. These three are animals, and these three gives birth to babies, and they have hair on their skin, but they look different from each other. Next, now second category is birds. How they are different and alike? These three birds, parrot, rooster, and bird. These three are similar because they all are birds. they have wings and they lay eggs. But some birds can fly high and some cannot, like rooster. Okay, now third category is insects. Ant, honeybee, wasp. Here are 3 insects and they all have many legs. Some insects have wings and they also lay eggs but give more eggs than birds. So it means they all are different from each other. Birds तीनों हैं तो बर्ड्स, लेकिन वो डिफरेंट किससे हैं? एनिमल से भी डिफरेंट है, इंसेक्ट्स से भी डिफरेंट हैं. सेम एज इंसेक्ट्स, तीनों इंसेक्ट्स की कैटेगरी में आते हैं, लेकिन वो डिफरेंट हैं बर्ड से भी और एनिमल्स से भी. नाउ लेट्स कंपेयरिंग एनिमल्स, हाउ दे आर डिफरेंट एंड अलाइक. क्या इनमें सेम चीज़ है और किस तरह वो डिफरेंट है. हियर वी आर 2 टाइप्स. फर्स्ट वन इज़ इंसेक्ट, दैट इज़ बटरफ्लाई, एंड सेकेंड इज़ बर्ड, दैट इज़ hen. दोनों में क्या सिमिलैरिटीज़ हैं? दे बोथ हैव विंग्स. एंड क्या डिफरेंट है? बटरफ्लाई हैज़ विस्कर्स एंड hen हैज़ feathers. Now here we are comparing animals which are alike in some ways. We group them together. हमने एक ग्रुप बनाया है जो सेम है एक दूसरे के, एनिमल्स विद बीक. एंड यू कैन सी इन दिस पिक्चर these all animals have beak. And in another group, animals without beak. They don't have beaks. They have teeth. इनके दांत होते हैं, इनकी बीक्स नहीं होती हैं. इस तरह हमने डिफरेंट कर लिया एक 2 ग्रुप्स में. किस तरह कि एक एनिमल्स विद बीक and एक animals without beak. I hope you understand the differences among the animals and how they show variations.